Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make your Chromebook 14A from HP not go to sleep. If your Chromebook goes to sleep after a certain time of inactivity and you don't want that, feel free to go to the settings, then scroll to System Preferences, then go to Power, and now you'll find when inactive and plugged in or when inactive and on battery. You can set those to sleep, turn off display, or keep display on. I'm gonna set it to turn off display on when plugged in, and for when inactive I'm gonna leave it on sleep so it doesn't drain my battery, but feel free to set it to whatever you'd like. And you'll see the sleep when lid closed. Also, you can disable that, so if you close the lid it won't go to sleep. Instead it'll just turn the screen off, and once you open it it'll still be just everything will be on, nothing has paused, no background processes were finished. And that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.